Imagine a world where your favorite brands know exactly what you want, sometimes even before you do. It sounds like science fiction, doesn't it? Yet this is the captivating reality where artificial intelligence, AI, is dramatically transforming the landscape of marketing. Today, we embark on a journey to explore the mysteries of AI in marketing, discovering fact from fiction. To begin with, what is AI in marketing? Essentially, AI involves using computer systems to perform tasks that normally require human intelligence. This ranges from learning and problem solving to pattern recognition. In the realm of marketing, AI is employed to gather and analyze data, predict consumer behavior, and enhance customer experiences. One of the most talked about applications of AI in marketing is its ability to personalize content. Imagine opening a website and instantly seeing products and recommendations tailored specifically to your tastes. While it may seem like magic, it's AI technology analyzing your preferences based on your browsing history and previous interactions. This personalization not only enhances user experience, but significantly boosts conversion rates for companies. However, a common misconception is that AI invades privacy. Reputable firms use data responsibly, adhering to strict privacy standards to protect consumers. Another fascinating aspect is AI's role in predictive analysis. By examining vast sets of data, AI can predict future trends and behaviors with remarkable accuracy. Marketers then use these insights to develop strategies and campaigns that resonate more effectively with their target audience. This predictive capability is often confused with mind reading, but it's simply advanced data analysis at work. AI chatbots have become a staple on websites, providing immediate customer service. Their integration has revolutionized how companies interact with consumers, offering 24/7 support. While some believe chatbots can completely replace human interaction, they are actually designed to handle routine inquiries, freeing human agents to manage more complex issues. Furthermore, AI is redefining how advertisers target potential customers. Through tools like programmatic advertising, which automates the buying of ads online, AI ensures that ads are shown to the right people at the right time. This precision targeting debunks the myth that AI is omniscient. It's effective, but still relies on quality input data. Despite these advancements, AI is not without its challenges. Concerns remain about the potential for job displacement as AI takes on more marketing functions. However, most experts agree that AI is more likely to augment human abilities rather than replace them entirely. AI can handle data heavy tasks and analytics, freeing marketers to focus on strategy and creative work that machines can't replicate. As we look to the future, AI continues to evolve, offering endless possibilities for innovation in marketing. But it's crucial to remember that AI is a tool, and its effectiveness depends largely on how it's used by people. In conclusion, AI in marketing is neither a perfect oracle nor a dystopian overlord. It is a sophisticated tool that, when harnessed correctly, can drive unprecedented efficiency and personalization in marketing. As we navigate this ever changing field, it's vital to separate fact from fiction, embracing AI's potential while remaining mindful of ethical implications. Thank you for joining us in this exploration of AI in marketing. If you've enjoyed this deep dive into the unknown, consider subscribing to our channel for more insights into the fascinating world of technology and innovation. Stay curious, and we'll see you next time.